Such bad injuries, but we have players in the midfield department and good players. We also we have players who can fill that gap. But I think you can never fill that because every player has his own characteristics.
As a deadline day for European clubs transfer windows, the head coach of Manchester United, Eriksen, speaks on the injuries of his midfielder Christian Eriksen, as he says it's very difficult to replace his position, and he feels so hurt and he is so sad to lack him because Christian Eriksen will be out of the squad for almost 3 months, and as a manager he says that's one of the biggest, and it's just the weakness, and they are going to face the challenges. But he says, despite of not having him on the squad, still they have other players, and they will just replace his position. Despite it's very difficult to replace his position, only because he believes that Eriksen has a special something, and Eriksen is just a best player, and is a good player, and he had a positive and the greater contribution over the squad, and he's just declining on why the players have been do not take care of themselves when it comes to the matter of playing the fair play. Of course, the Ten Hag is